Guys, welcome back to our channel Travel with Abhijeet, and we are here to explore Indian Food Festival in Cambodia. So let's see what we have there. And we have two more friends going there. We will introduce later. This is the bus. This is known as the red bus, Cambodia. And this is food. Indian face here. I can't say this word. A lot of people here. The smell of food, but we don't know the taste about food. Let's go and explore. What's that? Hi, Water.
Hi, Abhi.
So she's my friend, Water.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, babe. Yo. All are here to explore basically Indian food, and there's some performance going on behind. So let's see. Just about food festival, then we have also some few junk jewelries, some of the stuff. People are selling stalls. All of quality here, and they are putting some food. And this is our ambassador here. How are you?
Good, how are you?
And this is what we take here from samosa and this kulcha. So we'll explore this and explore more places to eat. Let's go. That.
And if you want to make it a little bit sour, you can use this lemon on top of this. Mix it well, so you get the.
यहाँ पे testing हो रही है Indian food की, and I don't know.
And try this one. This is like a little bit of chili, little bit of tomato, and roasted tomato basically with onion and it.
To a food like pav bhaji, dabeli, gajar ka halwa, and here are the guys, testers.
टेस्टर मेरे टेस्ट में तो पाव भाजी गया रे बाबा
Test.
मेरे टेस्ट में
Tester from Cambodia, tester from China. So you guys have to give her.
being an Indian, we are serving whatever food we think are going to be the best.
Yeah. So let's try and give the genuine response and reviews. Golgappe. मैं इंडिया से आ जाओगे लेकिन Yo, how's it? Go Pips. Yo guys, we are back from the food festival.
It was good.
It was good. There was a lot of food options, plus the performance was going on. Few people were singing good and few people were, I can't.
They were kind of shy
Yeah.
of the platform, but yeah, it was really nice.
It was really nice. Our friend liked the Indian food.
Yeah, they really loved it. Afterwards,
Yeah.
they had some of their own cuisine, and they said that
This
your-
was much better.
Yeah, your Indian food was much better than that.
Correct.
So it's a kind of like we felt very
Yeah.
nice about that.
So yeah,
You
that's the
felt
story.
very nice about that. So
So yeah, that's the story for today. And if you like our content, then please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Travel with Abhijeet. Well then, see you for the next vlog. Bye bye. Wait for us.